Hello everyone, in today's quick video I'll show you how to hide your phone number on Telegram. Many times we receive spam messages and spam calls from unknown numbers or people. So we really need to hide our phone number from spammers. Let's not waste any time and start the video. Before starting the video, please make sure your Telegram app is updated. Open the Telegram app. Tap on the three-line icon from the Telegram homepage. Now tap on settings. You will see many settings options, but we need to tap on privacy and security. In the privacy section, you will see phone number option. Tap here. By default, the option is set to everybody. You can also select my contacts. This is also safe as only your contacts can see your phone number. But if you'd like to stay fully safe, then you can select nobody. This means no one can see your phone number. There is also an option to add users who can see your phone number. Tap on add users to add trusted contact who can see your phone number. Finally, when you are done, tap on the tick mark and we are done. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.